In recent times, digitalization has revolutionized financial services. As we look towards the future, machine learning will make as much, if not more, of an impact. With this in mind, Mobey Forum encourages the financial services industry to recognize machine learning's potential and to think big about the opportunities it offers for growth and for the delivery of a better service experience for their customers. Machine learning enables computers to learn without being explicitly programmed and has valuable applications right across the world of financial services. A good example is in a bank's fraud and risk department. Here, the field of fraud detection has historically used if-then rules. So, if a credit card is used abroad, then the cardholder receives a message asking them to verify their identity. Machine learning enables the industry to move away from this in favor of a more sophisticated approach. By giving machines access to customer data relating to both fraudulent and normal transactions, together with their age, location, transaction history, like typical transaction amounts and their frequency, and other information collected by the bank, machine learning can identify more reliable patterns and build up a clearer picture of transactions that are likely to be fraudulent. Better information about fraud enables greater accuracy in its identification, which, in turn, enables the bank to enhance both its service and its customer experience. A recent Mobey Forum survey of more than 100 financial industry professionals found that 64% of financial institutions are already using machine learning in their fraud departments. A further 24% are planning to use it for fraud cases. Beyond fraud, however, machine learning has many other useful applications. 60% of those surveyed are also using machine learning in sales and marketing, identifying which customers are likely to switch products, for example, or proposing relevant product and service referrals for customers. 59% of respondents noted their use of machine learning in risk departments, 38% in financial departments, and 17% reported that machine learning was also adding value to the HR function. In this last instance, machine learning was being used to predict if a candidate's resume was suited to the company. So, machine learning has huge potential. Sadly, as always, there are challenges to be overcome before its full benefit can be realized. Let's look at the machine learning lifecycle. There are 3 phases. Data management is the first phase, and this raises a host of questions. Which data sources are available? Which data should be gathered? How can data quality be assured? Here, 37% of institutions in Mobey Forum's survey highlighted data quality as the barrier preventing them from successfully applying machine learning. This is an area where clearly more work needs to be done. Next, the lifecycle phase, in which data is analyzed and modeled. Here, financial institutions must consider how to make the most of their skills and resources. Reassuringly, only 33% of surveyed institutions found employing skilled data scientists a challenge. That said, only 1 in 10 said they successfully operate a multidisciplinary team, suggesting a need for analysts and data scientists to collaborate much more closely with colleagues from other departments, like operations and sales and marketing. When this level of human integration can be achieved, the number of identifiable use cases for machine learning will grow, and its true value to the business will become clear. The final stage in the machine learning lifecycle is deployment and fulfillment. Already, 10% of financial institutions not only put themselves in this phase, but also claim a high level of maturity. In the world of financial services, these organizations are at the cutting edge. They've identified and cleansed their data sources. They've successfully integrated their machine learning teams with other departments and identified their use cases. They are now putting this powerful new field of analytics to work today. The other 90%, however, are not there yet. This should come as no surprise. After all, the commercial application of machine learning remains in its infancy. The field and how it is applied is also evolving continuously as an iterative process. It's important to recognize that opportunities exist for everyone, not just that 10%. The true value of machine learning lies in its ability to help financial institutions to accelerate their development. Accomplish this, and your organization can get ahead of the market and deliver a better customer experience. reaping the rewards that this level of competitive advantage delivers. This is where Mobey Forum can help. We exist to enable stakeholders from right across the financial services ecosystem to collaborate in a commercially neutral environment. We connect people, so together they can share experiences, explore different approaches, and identify best practices. Like most digital technologies today, making machine learning work for your organization is an iterative process. We can help you make each iteration count. Thanks for listening.